Hey guys, Dr. Anthony Gustin here, and trying to clear the air on how to get started on keto. So confusing right now. So many people are saying so many different things. It actually does not have to be hard. So step one, reduce your carbohydrate count. And so make sure that you get under about 25 grams of carbohydrate. Step two, eat a lot of real food that spoils. So that's the good stuff. If you do keto in a dirty way, you're gonna fail. You're not gonna get results that you're looking for. Step two, make sure you can measure your ketones to make sure you're in ketosis or not. And so we have a video about that you can check out, but that is a really, really important step to make sure that you're actually in ketosis. A lot of times people can be juggling in between fuel systems and feel like crap for a very long period of time, so make sure that you're getting that step actually sorted out. Step three would be getting the support that you need. So this is actually a common thing that I've seen and worked with a lot of people on, is that when they have really big life choices and they switch around, especially nutrition, if they don't have anybody to work with, they fail almost immediately. And so that is a huge part of being successful in the ketogenic diet, is being around at least some people that are doing it as well. So if that's friends, families, online communities, it doesn't really matter. That stuff is really, really important to be successful. But other than that, it's not that confusing, but I'm sure you have tons of questions. And to help you out with that, we made a totally free 30-day Keto Kickstart program that we're gonna link below. And so this sorts everything out. It helps you get started, helps you walk your way through all this stuff with tons of handouts and guides, questions, answers, Facebook groups, everything. So all the stuff that we know that you need to be successful in a ketogenic diet, you're gonna get it in this program. So hit the link below, sign up. If you have any questions for me, reach out to me on Instagram. I answer every single one, just at Dr. Anthony Gustin, or leave some comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But good luck starting your keto journey, and we'll see you guys next time.